What up, Internet? This is Chris with Cellmoto, and we're taking a look at a little thing that popped up in the old app market recently called Media Volume Birds. And it's actually called Fruit versus Birds, and you can tap the screen to make fruits and connect them with things. Oops. Cool. So you can like build up but I need to get fruit dots over all 4 of those targets, and it's really picky. Like, they all have to be on the 4 targets simultaneously, and you have a limited amount of objects, and I'm just having like a pretty hard time with it. I think it's gonna be something like and you'll see that whenever you do have a fruit that gets too close to one of these damn birds, they eat it. So I wonder if I can make a dangle. Oh no. Okay, so if you make things a little bit more symmetrical, Alright, as you can see, I'm pretty bad at this game, but if you're feeling capable, check it out. The proper name is Fruits versus Birds. Do it.